This short video will help you join your class on Zoom. You will need your class meeting ID and password. Click on the Zoom app at the bottom of the Chromebook. This will open up the Zoom window. Make sure it says Join a Meeting, and directly below that, enter your meeting ID. This is a number provided by your teacher. Below that, you are going to type in your first and last name. Once you have done that, click Join. After you have joined, it's going to ask you for your meeting password. Enter the meeting password and then wait for the host or your teacher to let you into your class.